Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Riya Bhatt, a student of Department of English, Maharaja Krishna Kumar City, Bhavnagar University. As we all know that 5th September is celebrated as a Teachers' Day and we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day virtually. In this video lesson, I am going to discuss about the topic duty versus emotion in Torudat's poem Lakshman. After completing this video lesson, I request you to complete the quiz, and I have also uploaded this video lesson on Direct platform. So I please to you to check out there as well. And both the links are given in description below. So without further ado, let's delve into our main topic. So let me share my presentation with you. Yes. Okay. Duty versus emotion in Torudat's Lakshman. So before discussing our main poem, let's have a look upon the poet. Torudat. Torudat was born in Kolkata, British India. Yes, she is well known for Indo-Anglican literature, poetry, translation, and a novel in French. She wrote in English and French language, and she is also proficient in Bengali and Sanskrit language as well. Here are some major works of her. She majorly explores the themes like loneliness, nostalgia, patriotism, and Indian mythology. If we talk about education, then she studied in France and England. She is highly influenced by Western literature. And at the end, she died of tuberculosis at the age of 21, which is very young, right? If we talk about legacy, then she is pioneering figure in Indo-Anglican literature and blending Eastern and Western traditions. So, the setting of the poem Lakshman. Yes, we all know the incident of golden deer from Ramayana. Yes, the Ravana, the king demon king, desires to abduct Sita, the wife of Rama. Yes, to Lord Rama and his brother. How Rama sends Maricha to disguise a golden beautiful deer to their forest dwelling. Yes, Sita, enchanted by the deer's beauty, and urges Rama to capture it for her. And Rama cases deer deep into the forest, and when the deer is struck by Rama's arrow, it cries out in Rama's voice. Why? Why? Just because he wanted to consent Sita, sends Lakshman after Rama, leaving her unguarded. This leads to her abducted by Ravana. Setting in motion the central conflict of Ramayana. This is the main major conflict that we all know, that the ancient symbolizes the conflict between desire and duty, as Sita desires for the deer results. Deer, it results in her separation from Rama, highlighting the dangers of being swayed by illusion. Yes, here are some images that we also find. Yes, how this golden deer looks alike, and the conversation between Sita and Lakshmana, the incident of Lakshman Rekha, yes, the disguise of Ravana, and the abduction of Sita. The poem Lakshman by Torudat focuses on the tense and emotional exchange between Sita and Lakshman, drawn from an episode in the Ramayana. In the poem, Sita hears a cry in the forest and believes it to be her husband Rama's in danger. Overcome by fear, she pleads with Lakshman to leave her and rush to Rama's aid. Sita's growing the desperation leads her to accuse Lakshman of disloyalty and even harboring selfish intention towards her. Lakshman is caught in a moral dilemma between following Rama's order to protect Sita and responding to Sita's intense emotional appeal. The poem captures the conflict between duty and emotion and how Sita's anxiety and suspicions cloud her judgment, leading to her eventual abduction by Ravana. Torudat's work highlights the theme of loyalty, duty, gender roles, and emotional vulnerability, while also humanizing the epic characters from Ramayana. If we talk about themes, then there are six major themes. If we talk about symbols, then we have major five symbols, that Lakshman Rekha, the golden deer, bow and arrow, the forest, and the fire and animals. We are not going to discuss all these symbols in details, but we just have to look about on this Lakshman Rekha. This is the most prominent symbols in this poem. The Lakshman Rekha represents the physical and metaphorical boundary set to protect Sita. It symbolizes the limits placed on women in patriarchal society and their dependence on male protection. When Sita crosses the line, it leads to her abduction, symbolizing the danger of stepping outside the social boundaries. There's also, in a way, Torudat tries to explore the boundaries of women's. Yes, Sita's emotional conflict. The portrays Sita as more human than goddess, emphasizing her fragility and emotional turmoil. Overcome with fear for her husband's safety, her plea to Lakshman is driven by anxiety and love. O Hassan, to his second flight. She experienced uh, vulnerability and dread, feeling endangered without Rama. Here are some examples from the original poems. These are first three transas in which one can see the emotional conflict of Sita and how she plead Lakshman to go with Ram. Lakshman's sense of duty. Yes, his calmness and sense of duty contrast with Sita's rising emotions, showing the strength of characters that Torudat admire. Bounded by his duty, follows Rama's order and protects Sita. He reassured her of Rama's capability, as though his powers never cease. Lakshman upholds his scenes of obligation, emphasizing logic and restraint, even in the face of emotional accusation. Here are some examples that we find from original work that Lakshman logically tries to assure the safety of Ram to Sita. O calm thyself, Videhan queen, no cause is there for any fear, as though his power's prowess never seen, which is we find in stanza number 4. Yes, and little later, Lakshman gives the example of Rama's empathetic uh, and strong person. Yes, the lion and the grizzly bear cower when they see his loyal royal look, sun staring, eagles of the air. His glance of anger cannot brook pythons and cobras at his tread to their most secret coverts. Guide, yes, that we find in stanza number 5. Yes, the emotional outburst. Yes, Sita's deep emotional instability as well as social constructs that magnify her fear. Yes, also Lakshman hesitates. Yes, and she accused Lakshman of desiring her for himself, reflecting the societal view of women. Yes, one can see that the emotional outburst. If we look here, the image of emotions, then we find the depressed and confused and accepted and embarrassed and happy and people and love and many of emotions are uh, merged. Yes, with each other when we talk about emotions. Similarly, the Sita feels like that. Here we can see the difference between mythological Sita and the humanized. Here we can see the difference between mythical Sita, which is portrayed in Ramayana as a goddess, yes, and the Torudat Sita, which is in a way more humanizing way. Yes, then she feels insecure by the words of Lakshman that Lakshman used to shift her from anxiety to anger. Yes, but she in a way grasped the word and started overthinking on Lakshman's words. Yes, Lakshman's restraints, if we talk about, then the Toruda's use of Lakshman calm response to underline the ethical values of loyalty and duty. Yes, Lakshman's dilemma. If we talk about Lakshman's dilemma, then we come to know that despite Sita's accusations, Lakshman remains composed and continues to uphold his duty that is given by Rama to him. His steadfastness highlights the tension between moral obligation and personal feelings. Yes, the themes of gender and patriarchy. Here, Torudat in a way beautified the patriarchy framework and the gender roles also. Yes, Sita's emotions and accusations reveals her internalized of patriarchal values, fearing her worth is tied to her husband's protection. Yes, the poem critiques the idea of woman as dependent on male's protection, as symbolized by Lakshman Rekha, as we already discussed this symbol. Yes, that exposes the limitations placed on women by society. Contrasting Sita's emotionally with Lakshman's duty, bond rationally. Yes, here one can see the both of the picture. Yes, this is a very, in a way, contemporary picture. This is very contemporary picture that a woman has so many eyes on her, and this is very traditional picture from the Ramayana that how Sita portrays how Lakshman Rekha symbolized the woman which is dependent on the male protection. Yes, and also in a way when Sita crosses the boundaries, that Lakshman Rekha, she in a way has to suffer from the separation from his beloved. One can say the Rama. Yes, the clash between duty and desire. Here one can see the both very modern pictures. Yes, duty, which is responsibility. Yes, desire. One can see here the desire evokes the emotions, person, sense, need. Yes, argue that Sita does with the Lakshman. Yes, same thing. Sometimes pleasure, thought. that negative thought that Sita has in her mind continuously. Yes, human. Yes, the Torudat here tries to portray Sita, which is very goddess and devotee kind of character in Ramayana. But here, by portraying Sita in a very humanistic perspective, Torudat just tried to explore this theme very beautifully. Clash between duty and desire, duty in conflict. Now, Lakshman's duty is twofold: to protect Sita, to obey Rama's command, to not to leave her aside. And Sita's emotional appeal places him in a moral dilemma. Yes, one can see the duty in conflict now. Torn between conflicting duties, yes, desire versus responsibility, also one can find here. Sita's accusations of desire and betrayal challenges Lakshman's sense of responsibility, steadfast sense of responsibility. This tension illustrates the inevitable clash between duty, conflicts with personal emotions. Torudat's feminist understood, critic of gender roles. The here subtly critiques the role of women in patriarchal society, where emotions and loyalty are often uh, exploited. So yes, Sita's if we can see the example of Sita, then Sita's accusations reveals her vulnerability as woman in a world where men are the decision makers and protectors also. Feminist reading, if we can see in her poem, then the poem can be read as a feminist text that highlights the emotional struggles that women faces within rigid societal structures. Yes, in conclusion, one can see in Torudat's Lakshman, the conflict between duty and emotion is vividly portrayed through the interaction between Lakshman and Sita. Lakshman's steadfast commitment to her duty contrasts sharply with Sita's emotional vulnerability and fear for Rama's safety, highlighting the tension between rational and obligation and overwhelming emotions. This clash leads a tragic outcome, illustrating how emotion can disrupt duty and responsibility. Thus, poem not only reflects the complex nature of human relationship, but also critiques the social expectations, particularly the gender roles of protection and dependence, making it a profound exploration of loyalty, fear, and the human condition. Here are some references, and thank you. That is it from my side. Hope you enjoyed the learning process, and don't forget to fill up the quiz, and also please check out the TED platform video. Thank you.